Can moving provinces increase your PR chances in Canada? Let's break it down. Are you living in Canada on a study permit or work permit, but starting to wonder if your current province is making your PR journey harder than it needs to be? Or maybe you've heard that moving to another province can boost your chances, but you are unsure if that's actually true. Today, we're clearing the confusion. We're going to deep dive into which provinces allow you to apply for their PNP even if you don't live there, who qualifies, and what real options exist for temporary residents who feel stuck. If you're stressed about your PR path, this video might help you rethink your strategy. Can moving provinces actually help? Yes. In some cases, changing provinces can genuinely improve your chances of getting PR. Most PNP streams want candidates already established in the province, but a handful of active, invitation-issuing PNP pathways still accept people from outside their borders, as long as you genuinely intend to move there after PR. So instead of waiting endlessly in your current province, you may be able to pivot to a province with more accessible streams, lower CRS needs, or specific sector priorities. Let's explore which provinces offer this flexibility. Alberta, one of the easiest out-of-province options. Alberta's express entry stream remains one of the most open doors for people across Canada. Why it's attractive? Low CRS requirement, as low as 300. Multiple sector-focused pathways. Job offer not always required. Frequent draws. Who Alberta targets? Tech, healthcare, construction, agriculture, aviation, law enforcement. If your NOC aligns with Alberta's labor needs, you can get noticed even while living outside the province. British Columbia. Opportunities for skilled workers and entrepreneurs. BC offers two major options to out-of-province candidates. One, skilled worker stream, E-aligned. You can apply from outside BC if you have a permanent job offer in a TER 023 occupation, 2 years of experience. CLB 4+. Wages that meet BCS median levels. 2. Entrepreneur pathways. If you're a business owner or investor, BCS base and regional entrepreneur streams are open regardless of your current location. If you can invest in a business and create one local job, BC may be within reach. Manitoba, a great option for those with connections. If you have family in Manitoba, past work or study there, an invitation from a recruitment event, you can apply under the skilled worker overseas stream even if you're not currently living in the province. Manitoba is one of the more accessible PNPs if you can show a genuine connection and a clear settlement plan. Ontario, still open to candidates across Canada. Ontario's employer job offer streams, both for workers and international students, allow applications from anywhere in Canada as long as you have a qualifying Ontario job offer. The streams are extremely active and issue thousands of invitations each year. This is especially helpful for international graduates who don't yet have work experience, workers in TR 023 jobs who can secure an Ontario employer. If you're able to land a job offer, Ontario is a strong PR pathway even without living there first. Prince Edward Island, small province, big opportunities. PAE is still inviting skilled workers from outside Canada, which means out-of-province Canadian residents also qualify. All you need is a job offer in a TR 023 occupation, employer pre-authorization, at least 2 years of work experience, CLB 4+. PAE is a great fit for candidates who want a smaller, close-knit community and faster processing roles. Will there be more options in 2026? Canada's latest immigration levels plan increases PNP admissions by over 40,000 spots next year. This could mean more room for provinces to invite people outside their borders, specialized pathways for sector shortages, more frequent draws, greater flexibility for candidates willing to relocate. While not guaranteed, the trend suggests better opportunities for mobile applicants in 2026. Conclusion. So yes, moving provinces can absolutely improve your PR chances, but only if you understand which PNPs actually accept out-of-province applicants and whether your occupation fits their priorities. Your PR journey doesn't have to feel stuck. With the right strategy and up-to-date knowledge, you can take control of your options and choose a path that actually moves you forward. Stay tuned for more breakdowns like this and keep exploring your possibilities. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.